Sport Academy, ELSA, Sri Bestari. The menu for today is big breakfast.
Hi, good morning. I'm teacher Ayn and we are from ELSA. Today we are going to make big breakfast menu. Okay, let's start. Okay, so today we are going to need one bowl, one whisk, and the ingredients will be plain flour, one dark egg, sugar, quarter cup of sugar, pinch of salt, baking powder, half cup of milk, half teaspoon of butter, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence. So today, 3 students are going to join me: Kaishan, Tiffany, and Zara. Come here. Look, the first step is we are going to put 1 cup of flour into the bowl. Okay, Zara? Everything. Okay, so Kaishan, you are going to help me crack the egg. You are going to add 1 cup of sugar, yes, everything, you, pinch of salt, and teaspoon of baking powder. Thank you. Okay. Good job. Okay, here it is. This is our pancake.
Good morning. I'm Miss Bestari from ELSA. This is Benjamin. Hi, Benjamin. Okay, we're going to fry egg. First, we're gonna add oil.
we are going to serve it.
I'm Miss Daisy, this is Kenyon and this is Howard. We are going to prepare the baked beans. We are going to heat up the baked beans. For a start, Howard will drop in the butter. Pour in the baked beans. We are quite done now and we're going to dish it out into the bowl. Good job, the baked beans is done.
Good morning, I'm Miss Bestari from ELSA. This is Jacob. Say hi, say hi. Okay, now we're going to do orange juice. First step, the orange. Cut. Careful. Okay, once you cut, you're done. Pour the orange into the glass. Yes. The oranges that Jay will make today.